Yes, Sabi here with a new one, hot from the kitchen, from Sabi's Delics. Let's enjoy chicken pilau, the real Swahili, authentic pilau. Today we are making pilau, chicken pilau. I have a whole chicken, rice 1 kg. I have finely sliced onions, red onions. These were 3 bulb, large bulb. I have a garlic paste and ginger paste. I have my pilau masala and salt. Pilau mix again, but now these ones are whole plus bay leaves. Now I will start by cutting my chicken and I will boil them in salt and ginger and garlic. Now, but those ones I will do out of camera. Then we'll continue with the rest. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for those who are new in this channel. Kindly subscribe and like for those who have subscribed. I'm so grateful. I forgot to show you. I have potatoes here. I've cleaned them, so I will blanch them and I will use them in my pilau. Blanch them a little, then I'll fry them slightly, then I will use it in my pilau. Just stay tuned, you will see how it's being done. This is a real Swahili pilau. I will start by blanching my potatoes. In a pot, I'll add some salt to give it a taste. And my flame is on medium. Adding my potatoes in. Once it starts boiling, just remove them out. Let it cool. In my stove, my pan is ready with the hot oil and my flame is on high flame. I'll deep fry my potatoes until the outer part is add. I don't want them to cook because it will continue cooking in the pilau. So this process just to add in the outer part so that when you are dipping them in your pilau, it will not spill out or spill out. The potatoes are ready. Remove them and set them aside. It's nice. Well done. It's time to boil the chicken. I will use ginger, garlic and paste and salt to boil it. It will boil for like 10 minutes. I don't want it to cook completely. It's ready. I'll take it out. I'll separate it from the broth and I will use that broth later in my pilau. In my sufria, I have oil. Just add your onions. You can see my onions, it's plenty. I used 3 big bulb onions. Pilau calls for a lot of onions. So I'll let it fry. And before it turns brown, I'll add my spices. That's a mixed all pilau mix and grounded pilau mix. I'm only using those pilau mix. And once it starts browning, add in your chicken. Always, if you want your pilau to turn brown, make sure your onions, you added a lot of onions and they are brown. Now this one will depends on how you're cooking your spices and everything. I normally like to add my spices before the meat, because in that way it gives me a good taste of pilau and even the flavor. So now I will continue frying my chicken here. I want it to brown, and by frying them here, my onions and spices will continue browning until the chicken is brown. I'm adding a little salt because I've already boiled my chicken with salt. And don't forget, I will use that broth here, so I don't need to add a lot of salt. My chicken is brown. I'll add in my washed rice and I will cook it here. I'll stir it to absorb the flavors before going in with my water. Don't let it burn at the bottom of the sufria. Once you felt like it want to burn or sticking, go in with your water. I'll add my broth there and stir it. I didn't measure my water because I will just add the water until it's above the rice, just a little. Then I will cook it in a high flame. Once the water has gone down, I'll add in my cooked potatoes, and at this point my flame is low, not even medium. At this point my flame is low. I want the rice to cook well now on a low flame. At this point I will cover my rice, my pilau. Once all the water has been absorbed, just check it to confirm. Yeah. Now the water is well dry, but I want it to cook further to keep the moist and to ensure the top part is also well done. I'm going to cover it with a cling film and a lid, and I will take it to oven. Or if you are doing charcoal, you can place some coal on top of the lid. Now I'm going to do salad. Kawaida, we have to serve our pilau with salad. I'm preparing the kachumbari. I will cut my onion into round shape. Then I will separate them. Hey guys, what is your plan for Easter? How do you like this recipe? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. You can grab this recipe and enjoy with your family during the Easter. And kindly subscribe for those who have not subscribed. Thank you for watching this video up to this end. I'll soak my onions into salty water. This is to remove the bitterness of the onions. Rinse them and put it aside. I'll cut my tomatoes into round shape too. Kindly give me a thumbs up. Press the notification bell for you to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for 136 subscribers. We are growing, we are heading somewhere. Continue inviting your friends. Once I'm done, I'm going to mix them in my mixing bowl. I'll mix them little by little. We have some other people who doesn't eat pili pili, so I will not add my pili pili here. Anyone who wants pili pili will just add on it a dish. Add some salt to give it a taste. Then add some lemon juice to enhance the flavor. It was nice hanging out with you guys. Now my kachumbari, it's well done. And my pilau is also ready. Look at how it looks from the oven. It's well dry. So I will just serve mine. Well, the aroma here. Eh, I think this aroma will invite all neighbors here. Thank you for watching my video up to the end. I will see you in my next video. See ya. Wow, the end result. Just wow.